Hello guys, welcome back to our channel IELTS Winner. Hope you all are doing fine and staying safe. So this is a complete review of 6th November 2021 academic IELTS exam, which has 4 passages. So totally there are 6 passages, of course, 3 for the morning, 3 for the evening, but from both one is missing because I could not find the exact one. And here also in the evening slot, the students were confused about the exact passage on one of them, so I'll tell you that. So let's check the review, and as told, the predictions has gone correct. Listening was easy, reading was easy to moderate, writing was easy, and speaking was also easy and from the predicted list. So let's see. If you are new to the channel, do subscribe, and if you want the PDF of writing, which is free, you can just go on the Telegram, and the PDF of this video, that is this, is also available on the Telegram group, and the link for the Telegram group is given in the description box. So let's start with the morning slot. So listening was easy, reading was easy to moderate, and reading passage 1 was from IELTSexpress.com. It was about bricks, the versatile building material. The heading was bricks, the versatile building material. As we had told that the reading passages will come from these ones. If you had not watched that video, the material video for November, please go and watch it, because the questions were exactly from those only where we have predicted. So the reading passage 1 was from IELTSexpress.com, and it was called Bricks, the Versatile Building. You can get the passage PDF from the Telegram channel. All right. There are many confusions around YouTube. Someone is telling something, others are telling something, but these passages, as I am telling you, always I tell, these are from the students. Okay, whatever my students take and tell, I will upload them only, and I do not give the guarantee whether they are 100% true or not, because whatever the students remembers, I tell you that. Okay, because I did not take the exam, so I cannot be 100% sure. So as you can see, it was a diagram completion, a flowchart completion, and it was true, false, not given. The answers for bricks passage 1 was false, true, not given, true, true. Clay, tempering wheel, molds, sand, strength, kill, leaves, 20 millimeters or millimeters. So this was passage 1 on bricks in the morning slot. Passage 2 were tides potential from future electricity. Okay, there is a passage called tidal power. So the student is not quite 100% sure whether the same passage was there or not, but this one, tidal, is from miniielts.com. okay, tidal power is in miniielts.com, but the passage that came in exam was called tides potential for future electricity. So if you want to practice on the similar kind of passage, go to miniielts.com and search for tidal power. Okay, the heading is tidal power, but exactly what questions and what passage came, he is not sure, so I'm not uploading that. Passage 3 was ants could teach ants. So this is available on all, that is IELTSexpress.com, miniielts.com, IELTSmaterial.com. So you can practice it from any of the websites. It was called Ants Could Teach Ants. Let's see the question type. It was quite paraphrased. Okay, the student from Bangladesh, he took the exam yesterday, and he said that the questions were quite tricky. It was difficult for him because passage 2 and passage 3 were quite paraphrased. That is, they were paraphrased a lot, and he was not able to get, especially true, false, not given was quite tricky. So it was moderate for him. So passage 2, ants could teach ants. First one was match each statement. That is matching features type of question. You will given the names and you are giving the information. So you have to match about whom it is written. Then it was choose the correct option. So out of 7 or 8, you have to choose 4. And last one was true, false, not given. Okay, so the answers are in this: C, A, D, A, B, A, B, E, G, and true, false, not given, no, not given, yes. Writing task 1 was from our writing PDF, and it was about the viewership of different programs. And if you are on our Telegram channel or WhatsApp channel, we have done this quite twice or thrice in our channels. So if you are there in our WhatsApp groups, you must have practiced well. So this was the question. The graph below shows the viewership of different TV programs among 3 different age groups. Summarize the information. So it was 3 pie chart. As we had told, it will come as pie chart. Pie chart was there and it was practiced already. Writing task 2 was also as predicted and a modular version of our writing task. University students must pay all tuition fees because it benefits mostly them and not the society. So do you agree or not? So similar type of question. Some people say that university students should pay the fee. Others say government should take care. So do you, which side you take? So the question type was almost, the question was almost same, the same topic, but the difference was that question type was discuss essay in our PDF, and it was do you agree or disagree in the real exam. So if you had prepared from that PDF, you would have got the idea correctly. So writing was easy. Speaking for the morning slot, my student, she told that part 1 was about barbecue, about cars, and part 2 was a difficult decision you had to make. Evening slot listening was again easy. Part 1 was 2-word fill up. Part 2 was match info 2 words. Part 3 word MCQ and match info. Part 4 was 2-word sentence completion. So all on it was easy, but 1.25 speed. So you had to practice at that speed. Reading was easy to moderate. Again, it was very paraphrased. So the students found passage 2 to be quite difficult. Passage 1 was Sydney Opera House. I have not included this because in when we search Sydney Opera House, we are getting general reading. Sydney Opera House actually is general reading. It's quite short and the question types are different. So exactly what was the passage we could not find, so we have not uploaded. But if you want to just practice on Sydney Opera House, you can type this and you will get general reading test of Sydney Opera House, which has matching information and fill up type of question. So you can go for that. Passage 2 is learning process by example. This is from miniielts.com. The exact passage my student told was it was on learning process. Okay, error on learning process or learning process, but it was almost same to this passage. So that is why I have uploaded this. There may be slight variations in the questions, but he told the passage was same and it was learning by examples. And again, it was from what we had predicted, miniielts.com. So you can get the passage from the Telegram channel and you can practice as per your convenience. The question types was match information. So you were given information, you had to match which paragraph contains them. Then you had true, false, not given in this. And then you had summary completion. And you were given options for summary completion. So this is the answer. DACE, false, true, true, false, less, social, watched, observer, and nutcracker. Passage 3 was sand dunes. Some are saying it was living dunes. Some are saying it's sand dunes. Okay, but the passage is same. So this is the passage. So the passage is called living dunes or sand dunes. The question types were match heading. Then it was answer the questions, that is short answer questions, MCQ type. And then you had the fill-ups from the options given. So these are the answers: 1, 5, 10, 7, 9, 2, 4, 2, 6, 4, B, C, B, G, H, D. Writing task 1 was a diagram that shows a fire plant exit from second floor of a student's dorm building. Okay, so map, I could not find exactly what kind of map came. It's not there, but this was the question. And task 2 was again agree, disagree. Individuals can do nothing to improve the environment. Only government and large companies can make a difference. So what extent do you agree or disagree? This question also we have done in our daily task. So if you are there, you would have done it very easily. The speaking question in the evening slot my student got was, not evening, you can say afternoon, a person you admire from primary school. So all in all, the exam was easy to moderate in listening, moderate in reading, writing was easy. So the predictions has gone to, you can just check the passages and you can prepare accordingly. Please don't comment if the passages are wrong or if the answers are wrong. This is what our examiner, our students told. So if you have the correct one, please upload so that everyone can get benefited, and I'll be thankful for you for helping us in realizing that the correct options are those. So please comment in the comment sections the correct answers and the passages if you find it anywhere. Keep subscribing, and we have also uploaded all the predictions for other dates and also for December. So do subscribe to our channel, like and share as much as possible. Take care. Bye-bye.